Another exciting day for Washington County Public Schools as we celebrate another ribbon cutting here for the 2020-2021 school year. Several years ago, the Board of Education and team members here at the central office and across our county cast a vision of where we wanted to be as we move forward in the future. How are we going to prepare our students for the 21st century workforce? How are we going to prepare them to walk out of high school, have the option of trade school, technical school, college, or right straight into a high-paying job? And that is the direction Washington County Public Schools has been moving. Our Manufacturing Academy that we created several years ago has blossomed and has been a wonderful addition to our Washington County Technical High School. Today, we're celebrating two new programs. We're celebrating our Applied Manufacturing Engineering area as well as our Artificial Cloud Computing area. It's going to be so exciting as you get an opportunity to see these programs. These two programs are like none other. They're like none other in the state of Maryland. To our knowledge, for high schools, they're like none other on the East Coast.
Career technology education is a completer pathway for students which allows them to be college and career ready once completed. When Dr. Michael tasked us to design advanced programming, we immediately began working with our business and industry partners and our advanced post-secondary partners. Once that work was completed, we then looked at the facilities and decided which we needed to renovate and which we could update. From those updates, we built the Applied Manufacturing Engineering and the Artificial Intelligence and Cloud Computing classes. We are so excited to have these advanced new programs to allow students the ability to gain advanced certificates, concurrent college credits, and articulated college credits.
Hi, I'm Rodney Gaiman, Principal at Washington County Technical High School, and I'm excited about today's virtual ribbon cutting ceremony and for what that means for our students moving forward. These two advanced programs blend well with our current Engineering Academy and with our current Cisco IT Networking Academy. Students in these programs will be able to earn credits both at the college level and high school level concurrently. And they'll also be able to learn business and industry standards and certifications that will set them apart from their peers upon graduation.
Hi, I'm David Kundmuller. I am the AI and Cloud Computing instructor at Washington County Technical High School. The students will be coming in and learning right off the bat some coding languages, Python, Java, C++. And with that, they will get certifications in Python and one of those programming languages that I mentioned. After that, the students will then go into cloud computing and trying to secure the cloud and build their own cloud. And then finally, we will go into autonomous things like these different machines that we have so that we can make sure that they're well versed so that once they get out of the program that they will be able to have the knowledge to actually get a job right out of high school.
I've always been interested in this kind of stuff, especially when I was younger. I was kind of surprised when I saw Tech High had something like this, which is really cool because what I plan to do in the future kind of deals a lot with coding stuff. Wasn't always like that, but once I started doing this class, I kind of got a feel for it a little more and realized it's something I really wanted to pursue.
My name is David Long. I'm the Cisco IT Academy instructor here at Washington County Technical High School. And what I'd like to do today is talk to you about how this new innovation center, this state-of-the-art cutting-edge technology, is going to directly impact my students to help them earn industry certifications. We're going to have on these server racks switches and routers and lock them in this room just like they would be in the real industry. So what we're able to do virtually, we're now going to be able to do physically. So again, I'm very excited about this program. I'm excited, and the best part is the students are excited as well.
My name is Tim Hill, and I am the Applied Manufacturing Engineering Instructor here at Washington County Technical High School. I am very pleased to be talking with you today and be part of the implementation of this new program at Tech High. The program will offer students 2 levels of progression at their choosing. Students will progress through equipment trainers and through simulations to utilize their talents to go right to industry or to take that pathway directly to college. Also, students will be able to have hands-on experience with robotics, with high-end simulators that actually simulate industry, and be able to utilize inventor AutoCAD skills to design manufacturing-related problems. We're so pleased to be able to offer this program at Tech High, and we look forward to success for our students in the career paths they choose.
Hi, I'm Tyler Harn, an Applied Manufacturing and Engineering student at Tech High. I'm very proud of being a part of the Applied Manufacturing and Engineering program. This program helps me pursue my goal of being successful in the world of manufacturing.
So I am very excited about another opportunity, more opportunities for our students in Washington County. I hope that people will have the opportunity to get out here and see this when the pandemic's over. We have not let low budgets, we have not let the pandemic, we have not let anything stop us from providing new opportunities for our students as they prepare for the 21st century workforce.
1, 2, 3.